Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and we are back with another rack store pickup. This time I was able to find something at my local Marshall's. I'm excited guys because this is a fragrance that I've wanted to try for a long time. I've been really into this house. I actually picked up a couple other fragrances from, whether it was Marshall's or TJ Maxx, I don't quite remember. I think it was Marshall's, from this brand. They are a niche brand, higher end, and I have been nothing short of impressed with everything I've tried thus far. But the scent we are talking about today is Byredo's Mojave Ghost. And I paid $209.99 for the 100 ml, and I know that you can probably find it cheaper on some online discounters. Sometimes it is worth grabbing a fragrance in the wild. You get to try it. You don't need to worry about, throwing something else in your cart that you don't really want that badly in order to save on shipping. So it is still fun to find gems like this out in the rack stores. Although, is it a gem? As I always do, I'm gonna get it on skin. I'm gonna walk you guys through what I pick up. We'll take a look at the notes, and I will ultimately let you know if Byredo's Mojave Ghost is actually any good. Let's get into it. Okay, so much like the other two, as I mentioned in the intro, Black Saffron, which has become really my favorite leather fragrance in my entire collection, and Gypsy Water, both fantastic fragrances from Byredo. So I know $200, $210 essentially is a lot of money to spend. I already know at least what I'm getting in terms of quality, overall presentation. This is high end, this is niche, and it does smell it. But again, I don't know anything about this fragrance. I haven't looked up any notes. I've obviously heard it brought up in the past, and this has been on my radar since trying the other two. It is an eau de parfum concentration, and much like those other two presentations, they're the same. They're essentially the same. The only difference is the name on the bottle. I love the magnetic cap here. Really high quality feeling, nice, strong magnet. Let's take a look at the atomizer. Nice atomizer. And let's get this on skin. Okay. Yeah. All right. Very kind of animalic, musky a little bit. There are some florals here. The thing I love about Byredo fragrances is they really feel effortless, light, airy, but there's a potency to them at the same time. So it doesn't feel heavy, doesn't feel like dense or thick or oppressive in that way, where, like, especially in the summertime, you want to wear a lighter fragrance. They all have done that so far for me on initial spray. So let's see what this does off of skin. Very nice. Okay, so it has this kind of fruity floral vibe to it. I would say it's perfectly unisex, if not maybe possibly leaning slightly more feminine, but that could change. That could just be my first knee-jerk reaction to it. I'm sure it's going to change a bit. Again, really high quality smelling. There's almost this slightly salty mineralic undertone to it. So you have the fruit, you have the florals. There's a little bit of a I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of mineralic, not aquatic, but almost like a stone, or it's in a very interesting accord. But I think it works nicely with the fruit and the florals, which I'm not quite sure what flower it is. It also smells like this could be good for layering. I know not Black Saffron, but more so Gypsy Water. That fragrance, I think, could be layered with a few different things, and it would smell really great. But right now, this is really clean. Again, perfectly unisex, a little bit sexy, has this kind of sensual edge to it, which I'm really liking quite a bit. But I can see myself wearing this in pretty much any situation. I don't think this is going to offend anyone. It's kind of a light wearing fragrance. There's also a little bit of amber here, which I think is balanced really well with the floral notes. Beautiful fragrance so far. Let's take a look at the notes really quickly. So the notes from Mojave Ghost from Byredo. Top notes are sapodilla and ambrette, Mid notes are magnolia, violet, and sandalwood. And the base notes are ambergris, cedar, and musk. Just looking at Fragrantica, I wanted to see if this reminded me of anything or other people of anything else. And it kind of seems to be a pretty unique fragrance, not really reminding anyone of anything in particular. What I did notice is that there is an absolute flanker to this, which I'd be very curious about. So far, I like this scent. For me, it does kind of lean a little bit feminine. It could be those white florals. When there's a dominant white floral in a scent, it tends to lean more feminine for me. So here you have the magnolia. Obviously the violet, I can definitely see that. It does have a slight aquatic feel to it that almost reminds me of how it's similarly used in like a Burberry Touch. And those are sometimes my favorite fragrances. Those almost like, they feel like a skin scent, but they project nicely. And they're super clean. As I always do, I'm going to wear it this week. I'm going to talk more about the overall, performance, if I got any compliments from it. And I will include it in my weekly wears video, which drop every single Monday. The 7 fragrances sitting behind me right now, that's last week's rotation. So definitely go check that out if you have not yet. I would be really disappointed if this had poor performance. I spent a lot of money on it. So as it's settling down a bit, I am getting more of that sandalwood. On the initial spray, I was getting a ton of that musk. And it has kind of this animalic edge to it, that musk. Almost smells like skin. That's the best way I can put it. It's also why I think it's kind of a sexy fragrance, a little bit sensual. Very interesting scent. Again, why I like Byredo so much. They're doing something different with most of the fragrances that I've tried, and they do it at a high level. So I'd be really curious to know, guys, have you tried Mojave Ghost from Byredo? Is this a scent that you enjoy? Yeah, it's making me kind of want to wear it now. Byredo, Mojave Ghost. That's it, guys. If you like content like this, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.